Max 1st of may remain the gold standard for golf-ready Air, but the Air Max 90 continues to carve out its own lane on the course. Its latest release, the Nike Air Max 90 Golf Hot Lime, leans into nostalgia with a colorway inspired by a 2003 release that last appeared in 2021. This version closely mirrors the original color blocking, though certain hues have been adjusted to suit performance needs. As with previous Air Max 90 Golf offerings, the build is slightly refined for functionality, featuring a synthetic base layer and sleek graphic overlays to enhance weather resistance and durability. The result is a familiar yet modernized take that caters to both longtime fans and golfers seeking standout style. The Nike Air Max 90 Golf Hot Lime is available now at Nike.com and select retailers, priced at $145. Whether for performance or collection, this one's a bright highlight.